doing? Who is he talking to?
So you think I've been drinking, don't you? Well, I haven't. I've been saving people from the fire. You see, the house collapsed the other night. Would you be a good Samaritan and moisten my handkerchief for me? My eyes are inflamed from the sight of death. Thank you.
Can I borrow the dipper? Aren't you through using it?
You crazy? Well, hello there, my child. Were you from the accident last night?
Yes, why yes I am.
Is this you?
Yes, that is me.
Well then. Say, who are you talking to just now?
Did you not see?
Well, did you find it rude of me to ask of your name?
What for? I do not seek publicity.
Are you not wealthy?
No, on the contrary, I am penniless.
Sound familiar. Are you related to an old merchant by the name of Arkenholtz?
Yes. As a matter of fact, he's my father.
Well then, you recognize me. I am a friend of your father from many years ago. My name is Jacob Hummel.
Yes, I do recall. You are the one who ruined him.
Well, it's strange how stories can become twisted like that.
What do you want from me?
Well, I was thinking maybe you could aid me around town and accompany me to the Valkyrie today.
If you insist.
Well then, let's be off then.